Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Pen, and today I am doing a review on the RK Kludge Typewriter Style mechanical gaming keyboard with true RGB. It is also backlit. This is a free sponsorship product review. So the sponsor for this particular video is Devolve. Devolve is the official merchant of RK Kludge. So in the description, not only will I have a link to the product so that you can actually read and get more information about the product, but I will also link their storefront as well. They have a nice storefront of some interesting things, headsets, additional keyboards, things like that you should check out. Let's get started. So the introduction for this is that this is RGB. So it's a wired USB typewriter style keyboard. It has a very interesting design color-wise and also design as far as how it's presented to the consumer. So you see on the sides here, it also lights up and there's a place to rest your wrist, and you can extend it out like what you see here, or you can fold this black piece in so that you can just have the keyboard. All right, so features and style. So you see here, it has a collapse wrist rest, which is indicated here. And also all 108 keys have anti-ghosting. So this is a professional mechanical gaming keyboard with a metal panel, strong, and is durable as well. And also when we get to the unboxing and showcase, I'm going to be showing you the different colors and how to change the colors on the keyboard to suit your preference. So true RGB in full effect. So this is marketed, and this actually is a true RGB LED backlit professional mechanical keyboard. For those of you that are gamers that's out there that has your workstation, or you like to work in your studio at night, this is going to be amazing because it will light a part of your workspace up. It will make it beautiful and bright, and you have interesting color designs to choose from. You can do multicolor or you can do single color. You can see on the left side, you see more of the RGB, and then you see on the right, still the colors, but multicolors as well. So let's get started with the unboxing, and then we will get into the showcase. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Now, I did a little bit of like pre-opening here to make this a little bit easier, but if you see the keyboard on my desk now, I actually purchased this November 26th of 2021. So this unboxing happens to be the same keyboard, which is very interesting. I always preach on this channel to have a backup to a backup and even a backup of that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is the box. It's just your standard keyboard box here. I like the color scheme. The branding stands out. You see the RK game keyboard, RK Gaming. So let's get started. I'm just going to pull this out here. Okay, anything additional be in here. All right, this box is empty. All right, we have a tool here. I do not recall this in my original unboxing when I purchased this product, but it is useful for something. There will be additional information down in the description if you guys need more info about this product. But the meat and potatoes is going to be what? The keyboard itself, right? Let's take this off like this. Okay. All this extra stuff, clutter. All right, so this is a manual. Nothing more, nothing less. You know, system compatibility. You know, different keys, custom backlight switch. So it pretty much gives you some directions here. Press F and 11, and then you know it's your manual, things like that. So pretty cool. So here's the product. So it comes nicely packaged here, and even though this is the same keyboard, I have to say, presentation wise, I do love RK Royal Kludge, which is why it is my main keyboard, you know, on my main workstation. It's a reason why I am repping RK Royal Kludge. Not only does it have true RGB and it's backlit, the mechanical sound, the professional layout, um, playing PC games on this thing is pretty cool as well. But this won't be like an in-depth, you know, gaming review. It's just going to be showcasing how you can change the colors and what you can typically expect when you unbox this for yourself. This keyboard is not only made for gamers, it's made for general purpose use. You may want it in your office, you know, to work on. You may want it because it complements your existing RGB setup. Whatever the reason is, this keyboard is a must-have when it comes to your workstation or your desktop, your office environment setup. It just makes it stand out even more. Okay, so I've already owned one myself, and now that I own two, that's even better. All right, so you see here, I'm going to flip this over here. So you have like these tabs that you can unleash, and I'm just going to pull them up. No, you just pull them up. Okay, so and let me move the cord like that. So the keyboard is slightly raised up with those tabs out. So if you're on like a hard surface, you know, without a mouse pad, which is what you see right here, it's still going to be sturdy. It's still going to stand up fine. Now, of course, if it's a little like, you know, slippery surface, or, you know, make sure you have it sturdy, you know, a nice and clean environment, and you should be good. So you can see it is slightly raised up here. All right, so I'm gonna put these tabs down like that. Also on the side here, you can see this is where you can have your additional lighting for your RGB or your color scheme. And here's the full view of the keyboard. And I know it's a little weird. It's also on my desk right in front of me, as you see in the video. So you can see the lighting effects and how it's going to, you know, how it looks. And it raises. So if you want like a wrist rest, you just pull this bottom piece out. So you see this piece? It pulls out like that. You just slightly lift it up and then you pull it out. Let me get the cord here out the way. So if I want to like to rest, you know, a part of my hands or wrist, anything like that, I have that ability. Or if I just like how it looks in terms of this being outwards, well, I can do that also. Or I can do it like that. Put it back in its original position, and it looks similar to what you see up front with my existing RK Royal Kludge True RGB mechanical keyboard. So that's pretty much it in terms of the unboxing of the newer keyboard, things like that. So I'm gonna put this to the side because I literally have the exact same one on my desk. So now I'm going to be showcasing, you know, the RGB. So you see there, and you see on the sides here, it lights up as well. It looks very nice in person, and at nighttime, man, it shines like a diamond. I mean, what can I say? RK Royal Kludge, doing your thing with this one. And shout out to J Devolve, official merchant of RK Royal Kludge. Nice storefront. And I will be looking in the near future of obtaining some more products. Now, how do you change the colors on this thing? You know, that's why we're ultimately here. You know, we saw the unboxing, it's RGB, but you may want to control the color scheme on this, right? So one thing you do is there's the FN key. The FN key is right here. So imagine a space bar, which is this long button that you see down at the bottom. In between Alt and this stackable button here, there's the FN key. FN key is right here. And then there's something called a pause. Now the pause is right here. So imagine the home button on the keyboard and there's a page up. The pause is directly above it. And if I press down on the FN key like that, and if I press the pause key one time, you see that the colors change. So we have like this reddish color. It may be a different color on camera, but the colors change. I press it again like this. Colors change again. And this is something that's on the official Amazon product link as well. So you'll have to refer to your manual and also the Amazon link. But I'm showcasing it here just in case anyone wanted to know. So I'm just cycling through the different colors like that. And blue is my favorite color. It looks very nice. But I like it when it's in full RGB mode. This is more of a darker blue. And I know that the camera might not be picking up on it, but that's a purple color. Like this ice cube color, almost bluish tint to it. And it is back in full RGB. So that is how you change the colors on this keyboard. It's really not much to it. This is my main keyboard for a reason, because I love the design. I've always been into mechanical keyboards. And I just like the professional style and look that RK Royal Kludge has delivered with this product. And of course, I've had no way of knowing that J Devolve, the official merchant, was going to send me the same one. But hey, never hurts to have a backup. What do you guys think down in the comment section? Let me know. Do you plan on purchasing this product after I've showcased it and demonstrated it, as far as how it looks like and how you can have it tuned to your preference? And are you thinking about purchasing it? If you need more details, check the video description, check the product link, and also I will have their storefront in the description as well, so that you can look at more of their products. So to sum up my review, I've had this keyboard for quite a while now, and I think it's pretty awesome. Also, I think you should check it out if this is up your alley, and if you want an alternative, and if you want something fresh and unique. So peace out. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.